Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you a new matches strategy, alright? Yeah, I've been looking for different matches strategy, but this one is really good, okay? Yeah, so I've been using this document to look at this strategy, okay? As I told you, as traders usually share different documents containing various strategies so as to become knowledgeable, okay? In Deriv, you cannot rely on one strategy. You have to keep on learning new strategies every single day. Now, how does this matches strategy run? It runs this way. Now, in matches, first of all, you check the 3 highest gaining percentages, okay? So as you see, if you have a computer or if you have a phone, you look for the 3 highest gaining percentages, or basically, first of all, you identify the 3 highest percentages and you make sure they are gaining. If those percentages are not gaining, do not use them. Now, after you see the percentages are gaining, set your prediction on the second most increasing. All right. Now, once you have identified the 3 highest gaining, now you check the second highest. All right. And again, make sure they are gaining. They should not be losing in value in terms of percentage. So you set your prediction on the second most increasing digit, whereby the most appearing must be 12% and above. All right. So first of all, ensure you have 3 highest. Ensure you have identified the 3 highest gaining percentages. After that, ensure you select the second highest percentage as your prediction. So that should be a prediction. Now, after that, ensure the highest has more than 12.5. So the highest percentage, the one in the green circle, should have more than 12.5% and above for this entry to be valid. And please listen carefully, because for matches, all these have to align perfectly, because in matches, the risk that you are facing is more than 100%. So you're in a risky danger zone. So if you do not adhere to this, it might really put you in a very disadvantageous position. All right. I hope that part is clear. Ensure you identify the 3 highest gaining percentage. Set your prediction on the second highest, and ensure the highest percentage has more than 12.5% and above for this entry to be valid. Okay. Now, what is the entry point? Now, you wait for the cursor to touch the most appearing digit. All right. So you see that ticker. It should land on the most appearing. So the most appearing must be above 12, as you have discussed. So immediately that ticker lands on the most appearing, okay? Immediately it touches it, then you press match or you press run on your bot, and with the second most appearing digit in percentage. All right, so if you're trading manually, immediately you see that ticker has landed on the most appearing, you press matches so that it matches with your second most appearing. All right, remember, our entry is the second most appearing digit. That is our prediction. All right, and then you ensure the most appearing is 12.5% and above. If you're using your bot and you see the ticker has landed, in this you have to do timing even if you're using your bot. If you're using your bot and you see the ticker has landed on the most appearing, you press run immediately. Okay, remember, matches holds a lot of profit. The profit in matches is more than 700%. So you have to be very careful with how you're doing it. Because as I told you guys, anytime in the Deriv, you will see profits are more than 100%. It shows you that market is extremely risky. Okay, so I hope that is clear for everyone. Yeah, go and try this out. I've tried it. It's really amazing. Go try it out. This is the part 1. I will do a part 2 now, whereby I will come now and show the practicality of it, whereby I'll do it live. Okay, so for you not to miss that, please ensure subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and share this to anyone who you know is interested in trading, because they'll be amazed at how good it is. Remember, guys, always be ready to absorb new information. Okay, even though I have my own matches strategies, I ensured I learned this one and understood it, because I do not know where it will come to help me. Okay, yeah, but that, guys, is the new matches strategy. Go check it out. If you have any question about it, please leave it in the comment section and I will guide you. For those who need bots, ensure WhatsApp me and I'll guide you. This strategy works for everyone worldwide, no matter in the country you are, no matter where you are, it will work for you. Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, guys, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.